Hi KIPS teachers. This is an overview on how to log in to your new First in Math account. So you will go to www.firstinmath.com and then you will see where you need to log in. So you can see here that I'm logging in if you want to show your password because they're funny letters and numbers, and then press go. Then you will get to your home page. This is your teacher home page. So what you will be able to see is your team summary of your students. So you can see all of your players here under team summary, and you will be able to track what they are doing on First in Math. So let's go back again to that home page. So when we push home, we will get to the home page. And now we want to be able to give out the students their logins. So let's go to Team Management. And then let's go to Distribute Print Student Login Labels. So here you go. Just go to Next Step or click to download on letter size paper, or click to download if you're making labels, but we can go to the next step after you're done and you are finished. Once you get your student labels, then you will have to give them to your students to log in. So you can see that 01SOX7PA with the password blue2 is not going to be easy for our kindergarten students to do. So you might just want to start out by having a lesson on how to log in to First in Math. And it might be 2 or 3 lessons on how to log into First in Math. But the first place that you will go, and I'm going to go into the preview mode, which all teachers have, is you will direct your students to the K2 world. And that is where they will start their addition facts. Okay, so remember, let's log in. Let's get our student logins, let's give out the student logins, and let's get your students on First in Math.